Hey, this is the Robinhood manual buy and sell program. Up top, you have this, this goes to a token text, which is, and each one of these is a different line. So line 0, you have your key, email, then password, and then the code. If you get that part working, great. And then from here we go to the depths. You got buy and sell. That will you can manually buy and sell. And then from there you have, let me go back up here a little second here. Yes, you can put the stock in that you want to buy. Then down here you want to put in the amount right there. And you can continue buying that same amount. So if you bought like 100 shares at a time, you can continue by hitting the letter B, enter, and continuously buy 100 shares at a time. Then when you want to sell it, say if the stock goes up and you're in a profitable area, you can hit S, enter, and it will sell all the stocks at one time. So that's what I've done here, and you can get a continuous price on the stock, or you can watch it from a different program like I'm using. I'm using it on TD Ameritrade. And here's the where I bought 100 shares at a time. So I ended up with 200, and then I sold 200 all at once. So I bought them both at 157 and 162. That's the price I bought them at. And go down here to the end. I sold them at 163. So, so that was 200 shares, 163. $1.63, so that come out to about $8 in profit, which it could be better. It's all up to you. Get this program running. And the stock was the PVTS, I think it was. I'm using today here on Friday, November 22nd, 2021. Yeah, PVTS. And good luck.